Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel in Web Developer Tutorial. Today here discuss about the HTML interview question. Before start with the interview question on HTML language, let's start first go through HTML. HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard text formatting language used for developing and web page and web designing, which is released in 1993. HTML is just interpreted by the browser and it tells the browser what to display and how to display. A small introduction on HTML language. First question is, are the HTML tag and element are the same things? No, HTML tags and element are not same things because HTML element are defined by starting tag and closing tag, and between some content are included that this is called HTML element. But in HTML tag only closing tag and open tag, this is a tag. Basically tag is two types, open tag and open tag. It is different from the HTML elements. Second question is, what are void element in HTML? Are those void elements which is do not have closing tag or do not need to be closed are void element. For example, breaking tag, img tag and horizontally yani HR tag. This is a void element tag. Third question is, what are tag and attribute in HTML, or what are different tags and attribute in HTML? Basically, tags are the primary component of HTML tag that define how the content will be structured or formatted. That is, HTML tag define the structure and formatting and web designing and set the text on the web page. Whereas attributes are used along with the HTML tag to define the characteristic of the element. Whereas attribute used for change the characteristics of the HTML text. For example, h1 align center, that is change the heading tag property, that is characteristic of the heading tag, which is align attribute which is used for align the paragraph to show in the center of the viewport and left of. Fourth question is, what are HTML entities? In HTML, some characters are reserved like slash, greater than, less than, ampersand, NBSP non-breaking space, and $euro and copyright. These are already reserved in the HTML. So do not give the directory from the laptop keyboard. So these entities are these characters are these from the entity code through of entity code. Then this is called HTML entity. For example, less than, greater than, NBSP, ampersand, copyright, and euro, yen, so on. Fifth question is, what are different type of list in HTML? Basically three type of list: order list, unordered list, or description list. Order list is written in the HTML OL tag and li tag. Inside the OL tag, give the li, and unordered list UL tag through of UL tag right in the HTML. And sixth question is, what is class attribute in HTML? Basically, class attribute used for internal CSS and external CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet. The class attribute is used to specify the class name for an HTML element. Multiple elements in HTML can have the same class value also. That is one value and only one class target the many HTML tags. So this is very useful class attribute. It is mainly used to associate the styles written in the style sheet with the HTML elements. Question is, what is describe the HTML layout structure? Every web page has different components to display the intent, content and a specific UI. UI means user interface. Basically, different component of the display of the web page, but 6 to 7 layout is important to conceptually design the web page. First is header. Header means store the starting information about the web page, that is company logo, company name, so on, defined in the header. Navigation bar. Navigation means navigate the menu buttons, the navigation menu of the HTML page, that is as the next page. For example, home, gallery, about, so on, contact, feedback. Article, it is a set of information, some information given to the client. Section, it is used inside the article block to define the basic structure of a page. Aside means sidebar, content of the page, some content given to the client in the sidebar. Footer represent the last section of the page. How to 8th question is how to handle events in HTML. This is a JavaScript part, is the HTML5. HTML allow the event trigger action in browser using JavaScript or jQuery. There are a lot of events like on click, on drag, on change, on off, and so on. Doc type element means it is the first tag of the HTML page. Doc type HTML means this is indicate the HTML5. HTML means this is indicate the HTML, that is that all programming language of HTML include that is inside in the HTML tag. Body tag, body में body, okay. Body tag, body in inside the structure of the web page, that is heading tag, paragraph, audio, so on. Then handle event in HTML, those are give body and body tag inside the S3, only give the event element, only define in the web page S3. Input and type of button, give the button type of the input. On click is the event function of the JavaScript. My function, this is a function, and value equal to click me. And script, here define the scripting language, that is JavaScript. Function, my function, call the function of on click and alert hello world to show the window, that is web page, show the hello world. Next question is 9. What are the difference between the ID attribute and class attribute of the HTML element? Multiple elements in HTML can have the same class value, whereas ID attribute only one value covered, one HTML element, that is same value cannot be associated with the another element, that is class attribute more than 2 HTML element cover, but ID attribute only one value, one element cover. 10 question is, can we display a web page inside a web page or is nesting of a web page? That means yes, because of iframe are available in HTML. This is nested on the web page, that is show the other website on the your website. Yes, we can display a web page inside another HTML web page. HTML provide a tag iframe. SRC means iframe open tag. SRC means source, and iframe is a closing tag, in which SRC you can embed the another website of the other client of website. 11th question is, what are the various formatting tags in the HTML? These formatting tags are change the characteristic of the heading tag, paragraph, and anchor tag shown. So HTML has various formatting tags: bold tag, italic tag. Bold tag means make the text bold, or whereas whereas paragraph and heading tag shown. Italic tag make text is italic, or EM makes text italic word which added semantic importance. Big increase the font size of the text. Small decrease the font size of the text. For example, heading tag, paragraph tag. Then list sub makes the text a subscript that is written the chemistry formula, then the subscript are used. Superscript make the text a superscript, that is math formula are written in the web page. For example, a plus b whole square. Del display a strike out of text. This is a formatting tag. Strong mark the text as an important, or marks miss highlighting of the text, whereas heading tag and paragraph tag. 12th question is, what are the significance of head and body tag in HTML? Heading tag basically used for backend and SSD page. Head tag provides the information about the document. It should always be enclosed in the HTML tag. This tag contains the metadata about the web page, and the tag which are enclosed by head tag like link, meta, style, script, and title, and style or etc. are not displayed on the web page, and we will as well before the body tag. This is always indicate that include in the before of the body tag and after the HTML tag. And body tag are defined body of HTML document is should always be enclosed in the HTML tag all the content which need to display on the web page, like image, text, audio, video content using element like paragraph, img, audio, so on. So body tag is used for structure defined by of the web page, whereas give the heading tag, paragraph tag, so on. 13th question is, how is cell padding different from cell spacing? Cell spacing is the space or gap between two consecutive cells. It is cell padding and cell spacing attribute used for stable tag, whereas cell padding is the space or gap between the text content of the cell and the edge border of the cell. That means cell padding means these are gap around the text. That means the table tag of the Abhishek, then these gap between the Abhishek, not border or edge, but border or edge gapping used for cell spacing. 14th question is, how can we club two or more row or column into a single row or call span in the HTML table? Row span and call span used for HTML tables. It is used for merge the row and column respectively. HTML provided two attributes, row span and call span, to make and merge the row and column respectively. This is merge the row and columns respectively. 15th question is, it is possible to change an inline element into a block level element? Yes, it is possible to display property. It is provide the HTML that is change the power of the inline element and block element. 16th question is, in how many ways can we position an HTML element, or what are the permissible value of the position attribute. First of all, permission value of the position attribute is top, right, and left and bottom. That position value of the HTML element. First is static, absolute, fixed, relative, and inherent and initial. Static means this is a default value. Here the element is positioned according to the normal flow of the document. That is, this is a by default value. This is not given, then your HTML tag is not change the characteristics. Absolute, here is element is position relative to its parent element. The final position is determined by the value of left, right, top, bottom. Fixed, this is similar to the absolute, except here two elements are position relative to the HTML element. Relative means here the element is position according to the normal flow of the document and position relative to its original normal position. 17th question is, what are the difference between display none and visibility hidden when you are attribute to the HTML element? Display none and visibility hidden is a different attribute and different working. When we use the attribute visibility hidden for an HTML element, then that element will be hidden from the web page but still take up space. Whereas if you display an attribute of the element, then the element will be hidden and would not take up any space on the web page. Question number 18. How to specify the link in HTML and explain the target attribute. HTML provide a hyperlink, that is anchor tag to specify the link in a web page, or the hyper means hyperlink reference attribute is used for specify the link, and the target attribute is used to specify when do we want to open the link document, and target the attribute can have the following value. This is self is a defined value. It opens the document in the same window or tab. It is not click. Blank, it is open the document in new window on the tab. Parent is open the document is parent frame, and this is used from with iframe tag. Top, it is used the document in full body window. Ninth question is, what are the form and how to create form in HTML. First of all, to create the form is take the form tag, and label tag is identity of the input tag which is used for input tag. So label tag means identity of the input tag. Input your name, input your type, यानी कि text name is equal to value. The label enter mobile number, input type number, name equal to mobile number. Name attribute used for backend language, and input type is the functions of the form. Form tag is important, or action attribute is then important than backend language is used in the form. 20 question is difference between link tag and anchor tag. The anchor tag is used to create a hyperlink to another web page or to a certain part of the web page. and these links are clickable, whereas link tag define a link between a document and external resources, and these are not clickable. It is defined on the head tag. 21 question is, in how many ways can we specify the CSS style for the HTML element? Inline element, external element, and internal element. Inline element is you to target the one HTML element, or internal element. Here we use the style tag inside the head tag. To apply the style, we bind the element use id or class attribute. External, here we use link tag inside the head tag to reference the CSS file and into our HTML code, and again the binding between element and style is done using id or class attribute and tag attribute. 22 question is, and last question, how to include JavaScript code in HTML. Basically, include JavaScript two way. Is first way head tag and body tag. Head tag is not used is spacing globally, but in the body tag is globally used for JavaScript code in HTML. HTML provides a script tag using which can run the JavaScript code and make our HTML page more dynamic. That is style script, and script src tag is used in the body tag. It always give in the body tag, then is separate, and triggering the code is separately. Doc type is the identity of HTML5 HTML tag inside the alt tag, like a body head tag. Body tag inside the script tag and trig and run the scripting code, that is JavaScript code. These 22 questions are important for point of view of interview question